Let's draw the inhabitants of hot Africa. Rhino lives in Africa. Let's start with the head. Try to draw neatly. Green. Rhino needs a horn. Purple. Blue. Random color. Let's draw small ear. Green. Yellow. Circle the torso. Red. Red. Finish the front legs. Pink. Draw the hind legs. It remains to draw a tail. Dark blue. Wonderful, Rhino. Click and see what happens. Let's draw the inhabitants of hot Africa. Let's draw a lion. Imagine the lion has a huge mane. Now draw a little face. Orange. Add ears to it. The lion has a torso. Draw front paws. Draw the hind legs. Add tail. Look what a wonderful lion you've got. Play with the pattern. Click on the screen. Let's draw the inhabitants of what is the name of the striped zebra? Starts from the head. Let's draw a zebra. Red, dark blue, purple, random color. Random color. We need a thick, beautiful mane. Orange. Ears on the top. Green. Striped body. Dark blue. Draw fast legs in front. And fast legs behind. course, the tail. Look what a funny zebra you've got. Look what a funny drawing. Let's draw the inhabitants of We draw a good elephant. Round the head. Random color. Random color. Random color. What about the lengthy trunk? Draw the elephant's ears. They're huge.
Ooh.
The elephant is big, and his torso is big too. Add a little tail to the elephant. Let's put the elephant on his feet. It remains to draw the front legs. What an interesting elephant turned out. Click and see what happens. Let's draw the inhabitants of hot Africa. These animals live in the forest. Choose whom you will draw. Let's draw a beautiful fox. Draw an oval head. Add ears on top. Draw fox body. Now front paws. How many legs does a fox have? Add a couple more. And what is the fox tail? Draw big and fluffy. Our beautiful fox is ready. Look what a funny drawing. These animals live in the forest. Who loves honey? Choose whom you will draw. Big head. Let's draw. And now the little ears. To eat more honey, a bear needs a big belly. Now front paws. Now hind legs. Add a little tail. You painted a great bear. Our drawing came to life. These animals live in the forest. Let's draw a bunny. Choose whom you will draw. It will be a head. Now draw long ears. Now torso. Add paws. Draw strong hind legs. And add a little tail. Look what a beautiful hair turned out. Play with the pattern. Click on the screen. These animals live in the forest. Let's draw a funny hedgehog. Choose whom you will draw. A big nose. What is important for a hedgehog? Of course, draw needles. Now the front legs. Draw another pair of legs. You have a very beautiful hedgehog. Click the buttons below. These animals live in the forest. Choose whom you will draw. Who lives on the seashore? Who do you want to draw? A seal. His torso looks like a whale. Try to draw. flippers. First one.
Yeah.
And now the second fin. Draw a tail like a fish. You painted a wonderful seal. Click and see what happens. Who lives on the seashore? Who do you want to draw? Is an unusual bird. The body of the penguin looks like an egg, but can swim. Now draw a wing. Or is it a fin? Add a second wing. Draw the penguin paws. Look what a funny penguin you got. Click and see what happens. Who lives on the seashore? Can you draw a bird? Who do you want to draw? Start with the body. Let's draw a pelican. Now draw a big beak. Like all birds, a pelican must have wings. Now draw his legs. And in conclusion, add a big feathered tail. Wow, a pelican looks like a real one. Click the buttons below. Who lives on the seashore? Who do you want to draw? Let's draw a turtle. Draw a strong, beautiful shell. Finish the turtle head. Draw front paws. Add hind legs. And now the tail. Great turtle. You can play with a picture. Who lives on the seashore? Who do you want to draw? Can you draw the inhabitants of the farm? Let's draw a little dog. Draw the head. Now draw the ears. Add torso. Add a fluffy tail so she can be happy. Draw the hind leg so she can sit. Now draw your front paws so she can run. Beautiful dog. You can walk with her. Look what a funny drawing. Can you draw the inhabitants of the farm? Try it.
Meow.
Everyone loves cats, and cats have a round head. Now draw sharp ears. Draw a cat torso. Now hind legs. And of course the front legs. Now draw the tailpipe. You've got a great cat. Click and see what happens. Can you draw the inhabitants of the farm? Draw a sheep. Draw the head. Add fluffy ears. Draw a fluffy body. And now fluffy legs. Add a couple of fluffy legs. These are very fluffy sheep. Click the buttons below.
Meh.
Can you draw the inhabitants of the farm? Do you know how to draw a pig? Start with a round head. Add triangular ears. The body of the pig has an oval shape. Draw. Now draw the legs. The pig has 4 legs. You need to finish 2 more. Finally, draw a curly tail. Look what a funny pig you've got. Our drawing came to life. Can you draw the inhabitants of the farm? Try it.